Huh? She's got like about 1,200 miles on. Yeah, and I swamped, well, I didn't swamp it, but I did very much fill the clutch area up. It was, yeah, I'm sure it came in there. So the water went into a hole I should not have been in. Didn't know that, learned pretty quickly. So anyway, gonna open this up, take a peek in there, and just blow out the clutch and everything, get all as much of the dust and grit and all that stuff I can get out. I want it to be as clean and dry as it can be in there, so get out as much of that grit as you can. You'll help save everything from wearing down a bit quicker. So see how much this sucks to get open. I'll pick up when I'm looking in there. Yep. Let's see. Well, as I said, you can see it's got a light coating. Actually, that looks pretty good. Still, I suppose that probably came in from taking the cover off. But anyway, still just gonna put the air to it, clean it all, and swap the belt. I'm gonna do a little side-by-side comparison on belts because I'm curious as to, 1,200 miles. Where this thing is. I wish I did a little test video. I was supposed to too. I wanted to see what the RPM was engaged with this one and the new belt. Whoops. Anyway, side-by-side comparison here in a second. I see nowhere that says directional. So I'm going to put it on exactly how I took the other one off. This is just as I pulled it off the machine. Got the Polaris going that way. So that to me. So yeah, anyway. But let's hold these like this. There is a tad of a width difference. I don't know if that's how visible that is or not. Jeez, that's gonna be tough. I'm gonna twist this around and it's, but yeah, I suppose that's being pretty picky. I don't know, maybe just enough. Oh, I already confused myself. I think it went that way. Luckily, I can check back in the footage. Actually, just check back in the footage. Let's just do that. So let's just turn these inside out, because that's really what we're looking at here. There's some glaze, but it's actually, it still feels really good. There's no notches or anything, so I didn't just sit there and engage or anything and chew it up. Everything feels pretty good. Yeah, I'm impressed. It's no cracks or, a little bit of debris and wear, but yeah, I don't know. I'm rather impressed, but I'm somewhat, decent with the belt. I'm sitting there, you know, half engaged, trying to crawl out of a hole like some people. And wonder why they get grooves and stuff and wear their belts down quicker than who knows what. But anyway, yeah, I mean, old to new. Certainly a difference, but I just, I don't know, pretty impressed. I wish there was like a good way, width-wise, to get these lined up. Pretty good snug fit right there. We got pretty decent, not a ton, but a little shuck, so to speak. So belt definitely is a tad more narrow than it should be, so that's something.